Loves me my hot coffee. Hot. What's up, internet world? My name is Johnny, aka the Spilled Ink, the one and only. And first off, I want to say thank you very much for watching this video and welcome to my Tokyo art studio. Now, I'm making this video because I want to reintroduce a project that I made in 2011. The title of this project is Seasons of Death. Now, I made Seasons of Death for an art show called Skate or Die at Gallery Gamuso. Now, this show, Skate or Die, was absolutely fantastic. There was 9 other artists and we all got together and we painted skateboard decks. And oh my God, the caliber of work was absolutely fantastic. And gosh, this gallery, we covered it. We completely carpeted it from ceiling to floor, from wall to wall. It was just filled with skateboard decks, and it was filled with like all sorts of trucks and skateboard wheels and stuff. It was absolutely amazing, and the caliber of work was spectacular. The artist that I worked with was amazing, and if you were at that show, oh my goodness, you were talking about that show for months and months, and maybe even years after it finished. And God, it was so much fun. And if you weren't at the show, I wish you were there. Now, sadly, after the show, I put these pieces in hibernation. I put them in my storage unit and I forgot about them. And I know that's sad, that sucks, but that's kind of like what happens if you're a painter. When you're a painter, you paint. You make a painting, and then you make another painting, and then you make another painting, and another painting, and another painting, and before you know it, you've got paintings all over the place, and you can't keep track of everything. Now, if you look here, if you could look around, probably you can't, but I've got like maybe, 20 paintings right here. I've got another like 15 over there. I've got a whole wall of paintings over there. I got a storage unit that's just filled with paintings. Do I remember every single painting? No, not really. I kind of do, but and well, anyway, I forgot about these paintings, long story short. And recently I was in my storage unit and I was looking around and I found these puppies. And when I found these, I was just like, oh my God, these are really cool. I gotta reintroduce these to the world, and that's what I'm doing now. And first off, let me explain the concept. The concept of the Seasons of Death is that every season is beautiful, every season is fun and enjoyable, but every season can be dangerous. So you gotta be careful. Kind of cool, right? Anyway, I've got 4 skateboard decks, which equals 4 seasons. Now, everybody loves summer until it's summer, right? So let's start off with summer. Now, this skateboard deck is a real skateboard deck. It's got grip tape on the back, and on this side over here is my painting. And right here, this is really cool. I've got a character, and he's at the beach because that's what you do in summertime. And he's at the beach, and he's playing in the sand, but maybe he wasn't using suntan lotion or something, and he caught fire. He caught fire, and I love the look on his face, and I just love the detail in the ocean, and I love these flames. These flames are so cool. These flames look like the flames that should be on the side of a hot rod, right? Isn't that cool? And it says summer right down here, and I just love the design. It's just so magnificent. Summer. And after summer, of course, we have autumn. Some people say autumn, some people say fall. I don't know, whatever. To each their own, and this one here is autumn. Now, my birthday is October 27th, mark your calendars, and all of my birthdays were pretty much a Halloween-themed birthday, right? Which is cool, kind of gets old, but it's cool. And I had to do something that was related to Halloween. So I created a punk rock zombie that's walking in a graveyard. Isn't this cool? And why is it a punk rock zombie? Return of the Living Dead, of course. I love that movie. So here we go. We've got this guy. He's got a mohawk here, and half of his face is ripped off. He's got this bad, I was going to say a bad word, but he's got a really awesome skull right here. I'm keeping this G-rated. I'm trying. And yeah, this is pretty awesome. The detail's spectacular. I love this moon. This moon is just so awesome. It's so cool. Isn't it? I love the shape. Oh man, it's all crooked. And the colors are just so vibrant. I'm sure this camera doesn't get the vibrance of these colors, but it's just so cool. Awesome. And then, of course, after autumn, we have winter. Yes, winter. Stay, don't fall. And winter's pretty cool. Now, winter is a fun month, but it can get pretty cold if you're living way up north in the North Pole or Finland or Russia or wherever. And so I've got this character here, and this little girl right here is she's frozen, and she's on a stick, so she looks like a popsicle. Doesn't she look like a popsicle? Because she's a popsicle. So here she is, and I love her pouty little face. This is like the day before Christmas. She froze, and she's like, oh no, tomorrow's Christmas, and now I'm dead. She's upset. Dying after Christmas is okay, but the day before Christmas, oh gosh, oh that's just bad luck. You poor girl. Anyway, so this is pretty cool, and I've got a snowman right here, and this is her house, and it says winter right down here, and I love this right here. And over here, finally we have spring. Now, spring is a little surreal. We've got a sunflower right here, and it's not a person, it's kind of like a hybrid of a person and a sunflower, and kind of like a Garbage Pail Kid sticker. So anyway, so we've got this character right here, and this character's got this deadpan look in its face because it's dead. If you look all the way down the stem right here at the base, it's cut. What? Yes, it's cut. And here's a little axe. Some bad kid cut this flower. And yeah, the cool thing about this one is, if you look here, the ground is at an angle, right? But the flower here is vertical along with the board, the deck, right? But if you move the ground like this, so the ground right here is actually going from left to right like this, and then the stem base is going north to south right here. Is that north to south? Am I doing that right? North to south? Up and down, whatever. You can see that the stem is falling over. So pretty much this guy right here is already dead. He's kind of like the zombie, already dead. And yeah, this one's pretty awesome because when you look at it, you're like, oh man, this is pretty cool. Wait, oh, I get it. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, cool. And in this world where these characters live, there's only one moon, but there's two suns. So if you look here, the sunflower has two suns, which I think is kind of cool. I like doing abstract weirdo stuff like that. And so same here, the summer also has two suns. Whoa, hey, be careful, don't fall. So I've got two suns here. Isn't that cool? I love these flames. Isn't that awesome? It's so cool. And yeah, so right here is the set of Seasons of Death. And I'm actually selling these. I gotta let these go. I've got too many paintings in my studio. Oh my God, there's paintings and artwork everywhere. I mean, actually, I love it, but my wife doesn't. So I am selling these. These are on my website for $350 each. And yeah, if you want to buy them as a set, and actually I intended them to stay a set, so please buy them as a set. And if you buy them as a set, just send me a DM, just send me a DM or an email or whatever. And yeah, maybe we can negotiate the price a little bit. But yeah, definitely send me an email or a message, and if you're interested in these. And if you're not, I'm gonna hang them on my wall because these do look so cool together. Oh my goodness. They're so awesome. Seasons of Death. Nobody survives. It's like Thunderdome. Oh man. Hey, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a wonderful morning, afternoon, evening, day at work, day at school. Whatever you're doing, have a good time. And yeah, stay creative, and I'll see you soon. Peace.